How to cancel premium subscription on Spendee. Are you guys facing issues to cancel Spendee Premium subscription? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. In order to cancel the subscription, go to your mobile settings. Once you enter the mobile settings, tap on your profile. Once you click on profile, you can see the option for subscription over here. Tap on it. After you click on subscription, you can see Spendee application over there. Tap on the Spendee application. Once you click on it, now tap on cancel the subscription. Once you click on cancel the subscription, your subscription will be cancelled from Spendee app. And that's it guys. That's how you cancel the Spendee Premium subscription. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Spendee, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one.